Okay, so everything changed in 2017. This is one of the most important moment in the AI history, and in 2017 researchers introduced a paper called attention is all you need. Okay, so Google actually did some research, and based on that they published one paper, and that paper is saying that attention is all you need. And honestly, everything changed after this. Transformer architecture solved a major NLP problem. Instead of reading a word one by one sequentially, transformer could process relationship in parallel, and this dramatically improved the speed, scalability, context understanding, and this became the foundation for the modern LLM. So as you see here, earlier only one row you can send, but now in sequence you can send, and huge data parallel processing you can do with the transformer. And because of that, only foundation of BERT, GPT, and other modern LLP come into the picture. So now if you see in the slide, that foundation model, language based example are GPT and BERT. Vision based, if you see, is DALE and stable diffusion. Multi-model example is GPT-4 and CLIP. And if you see domain specific is BioBERT and Codex. These are the example of the domain specific. Now, if we see further, so in 2017, as I said, that everything changed, and Google introduced this paper, okay, which is the transformer architecture. Related attention is all you need. Okay, this became one of the biggest big breakthrough in AI history and key innovation. As you see in this paper, this is the actual paper. Okay, and the crux of this paper was that AI could able to understand relationship between the word much better. Okay, earlier as I said that, okay, if we are writing bank, our things were confused. Our NLP was confused whether it is a river bank or money bank or what exactly we are trying to say. Okay, the context was missing. But now this is not the case. Second thing is parallel processing also we can do. Okay, sequential processing we were not able to do earlier, but now with this transformer approach we can able to do. So this architecture become the foundation of ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and modern LLM, as I told you earlier also. And result is foundation of modern LLM. Okay, so as I said, this is the our paper. Okay, and this shift led to the rise of foundation model like BERT and GPT, proving that scale of combined with fine tuning could unlock the significant performance gain. Now this transformer architecture actually allow model to process vast amount of data. Okay, so this actually unlock GPT 1. Okay, this unlock GPT 2, this unlock GPT 3, and moving us from simple text classification to the generative capabilities. Okay, so as you see in this picture, before 2017 simple text was there. In 2017 transformer came into the picture, and then revolution in NLP, and then GPT-1 in 2018 where language understanding came, and then GPT-2 better text generation start happening, and GPT-3 large scale generation models start happening. And then by 2022 ChatGPT brought this technology to the masses, focusing on the helpfulness and the instruction tuning. So that was the another thing which you need to understand. Okay, and then after that also, if you see here, like ChatGPT and the future, I will talk about that other things started coming. Now again, like when we say that, okay, this paper, let's understand the magic behind transformer here, transformer architecture. So the magic behind transformer is obviously attention help AI focus on the important words. Okay, and it learn relationship between the word. For example, animal didn't cross the street because it was tired, for example. Then what does it refer to? Automatically it can understand. Okay, so every time animal, we don't need to say. So human easily understand it mean the animal. So transformer become much better at these relationship also. Earlier it was not happening. So now if I'm writing the sentence, animal didn't cross the street because it was tired, then my transformer automatically understand that this repetition which I am doing in it, it is because of this animal. That means I am saying that this animal didn't cross the street, okay, because it was tired. Keep checking the recordings. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to let us know in the comment. Please keep sharing your suggestions. We are on Instagram, YouTube, X, Facebook, Telegram, GitHub repository. Public repositories are available. You can download or you can fork the repositories, and you can mail us on stackarchitectlab@gmail.com also for any feedback or suggestions. So thank you very much. Happy learning.